Ashley had $22 in her wallet. She spent 1/5 of it on snacks for a trip. How much money did she spend on snacks? So 1/5 of 22. 1/5 of 22 is multiplication. 1/5 times 22. And we can express 22 as a fraction, 22 over 1. Then we do top times top. 1 times 22 is 22. Bottom times bottom. 5 times 1 is 5. And then we know that our fraction bar means divide. So 22 divided by 5. How many 5s are in 2? None. How many 5s are in 20? 4. 4 times 5 is 20. And my remainder is 2. Now, oftentimes when we start with a problem that has a fraction, we'll express our answer as a mixed number. However, since this time we're talking about money, we want to express our answer as a decimal. So I can continue my division by adding a decimal. 22.0 is the same as 22, and then line up a decimal in my answer. Now I can bring down this 0, and there are how many 5s in 20? 4. 4 times 5 is 20. No remainder. So 4.4, and we can add a 0 and we can add a 0 after the decimal. This is a problem where the answer is money. So $4.40. That's how much money she spent on snacks if she spent 1/5 of $22. Problem 17. Which sequence follows the rule n over 2 in which n represents the position of a term in the sequence? All that means is for any n, our term will be n over 2. So let's try different numbers for n, starting with 1. The first term in our sequence, n equals 1, will be 1 over 2. I'm just substituting 1 where the n is. N equals 1, so 1 over 2, 1/2. When n equals 2, I substitute 2 where the n is, 2 over 2. But we can simplify 2 over 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So I'm going to simplify all my answers to get my sequence. When n equals 3, I substitute 3 for n, so I get 3 over 2. And 3 over 2 is 1 and 1/2. When n equals 4, put 4 where n is. 4 over 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we're looking for, our list of terms should look like this. 1/2, 1, 1 and 1/2, 2. Our term is increasing by 1/2 for every position in our sequence. So looking at our answer choices. The first term in this sequence is 1/2, so that matches. The second term is 3/4. That's not right. Answer choice B, 1/2, 2/3, cross that one out. Answer choice C, 1/2, 1, 1 and 1/2, 2, 2 and 1/2. This is matching our sequence. So answer choice C is the correct answer. Okay, that wraps up the review. I hope you worked all those problems first before watching the videos. If not, if you have time, you should go back and try them on your own. And get some rest, and good luck on the test tomorrow. I know you're going to do great.